What's up guys, it's Ben from Theme Park Groupie. Thanks for watching a video of Swamp Thing here at Wild Adventures in Georgia. This is a fun ride. It is pretty chill. It's a chill for a roller coaster, so if you're really wanting to up your game, you're a little bit younger, or if you haven't ridden roller coasters much before, this is a good stepping off point so you can get a feel for it, see if you really enjoy it. If you guys did like this video, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching Theme Park Groupie.